Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. For a couple of weeks now, I've been testing out the beta version of the Starlink satellite internet service from Elon Musk's SpaceX. For many, especially in rural areas, it's already game-changing, bringing broadband speeds that for now can routinely reach over 200 megabits per second down and 30 to 40 up. Setup is simple, provided you have an open view of the sky for the satellite dish. While there's great promise with many more Starlink satellites being launched in the months to come, you should know the service for now is nowhere near as steady and reliable as cable or fiber. There are speed variations and dropouts, and the $99 a month pricing after a $500 equipment investment is expensive. But SpaceX has opened the door to the promise of high-speed internet everywhere, and that is a big deal. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.